Lost some laughter I once found, but in the stillness, light breaks through, reminding me what heart can do. The art of joy, it takes its time, learning rhythm line by line. Through every way I learn to play, finding color in the gray. The world can wait, I'll take my turn. Let the fire inside me burn. Through the work, the truth unfolds. Joy returns in hands grown bold. Oh, discipline taught me to create, but love reminds me not to wait. I'll paint my world in hues of gold, with stories that my heart has told. The art of joy, it takes its time,